Reptilia Zoo. Oh, Monday to Friday. Alright, let's go. Wow, Lisa, look at this one. Huh? Green. He looks so nice.
Why is he going in circles? He looks real cool.
You think he's dangerous?
I don't know.
Wild diet. Look, he eats leaves. He's vegetarian.
Okay, so he's okay. Except his claws are...
Alright, so what do we have here?
Snake, please. I want to see snake.
Some bugs. Wow.
Yes, look, a snake right there.
Oh! Look, this is a snake, right?
No, that's a lizard. It just looks like a snake.
It is a snake. No, it's
No, it's a lizard.
It's a lizard?
Lizard.
Giant legless lizard.
Legless.
Yeah, it's like a snake, but it's a
Legs.
lizard. Oh, this is a big snake. This is a snake. What's the name of the snake? It's cobra or
Avocado.
Anaconda. This is called green anaconda. Look, he's dangerous. He eats birds. Remember the ones that we saw on the lake, right?
No.
I think it's similar.
Nah.
This
It's
is
a little bit smaller, and its shell is more round.
yeah, it is smaller.
What's it? One from the house.
I didn't see the one on the... It is big. It's as big as you. He
That
can
one is bigger.
he can probably like eat you alive, and you're gonna be stuck inside of his belly.
He's nice.
He's nice. Yeah, he looks like I'm friendly. So, look, his eyes are popping out from the water, right? And he's looking at us. Hey, how you doing? Are you dangerous?
Why would you be dangerous?
Look at his teeth. Look at his teeth.
Look, they have a hockey course. They can play hockey.
You ask
I mean,
why?
not hockey. They have the
Look.
golf.
You ask why he's
He's
dangerous?
happy. He looks nice.
He look dangerous. Look at his teeth.
But look at his face. He's smiling.
Aha. So this is the Russian one. Hello, brother.
I
Russian.
changed my mind.
Look, this guy is Russian.
Yes.
He's from Russia.
I changed my mind.
Which one?
I don't want a noodle steak. I want a python steak.
Oh, so she looks so smart and old and mature. How old do you think she is? And she's looking at us like, what are you guys doing here? Let's play together, right?
I don't know. I should. In the water.
I think he's
What is he doing?
trying to hide them. No?
No.
He's just shy. He's like, oh guys, leave me alone. I'm too tired to make you pictures. No more pictures, please.
Probably trying to swim or turn around. See, he's turning around.
I'm too busy to swim. I think his face is itchy and he's like trying to scratch it because his arm is too short. He's not able to touch his face. Huh? Where is it? Oh wow! This is the one that eats humans? It is big. And those two humans is probably already digested. Huh? Hold on a second, is this guy alive? No, it's just turtles, okay. Oh, yeah. It's like piggy turtle or what?
I don't know.
Why he has a piggy nose? So he can probably stick his nose out of the water and is like, hello, I'm Piggy. What's his name actually? Chinese soft shell turtle.
I wonder where his head is.
Head is probably in the front. This is skinny.
No, here's his head. His head is over here. You see his nose.
This guy eats like small mammals, birds, lizards, and even other snakes. Okay, this guy is dangerous, I guess. Whoa.
Look how cute this guy is.
Yeah, his face is cute.
It looks like a puppy nose. It's cool.
Yeah, his face is cute, but he's probably dangerous. Look,
Look over here.
he is big. He can probably eat you like alive as like guys take you like monster. Wow. Look,
Oh, it's moving.
it is.
It's gonna go drink water? No.
It was kind of unexpected when it started moving.
Look at his paws.
Check this out. Elizabeth,
That snake. Oh.
this snake trying to ignore us. He's
Think he was a rattle?
too Canadian.
Oh, look at that big one. Looks like there's two.
It is two.
Three.
Three? One, two. Three. Oh, yeah, you're right. Wow.
That he does not have the ability to hide in his shell, like smaller turtles, like a red-eared slider or a box turtle might. So typically, if you do encounter one of these guys in the wild, as long as you leave them alone, you'll be okay. But if they do get bothered, if they get backed into a corner, they are more likely to snap at you instead of trying to run away.
You see, every animal has its own color, and it's supposed to match everything around it, like surroundings, right?
That was in the front, right? Okay, let's take a look at it.
Look, two frogs.
They're telling each other.
Huh? Lisa, why do you say ooh?
Because
Huh?
how are they talking to each other?
They do what?
It's like holding.
Yeah.
I wonder how they got on top. Oh, so we could touch the shell?
You think so? I think.
It doesn't say we could. It says no. Please do not touch the head. We love pets. Only touch on the shell.
You want to touch the shell?
Oh, now what is he doing? He's trying to eat the shell.
They're
Trying
cleaning.
to eat the shell.
No, they're cleaning each other. It's hard. Oh, so nice. Hello. I think he likes when everybody pays attention. He's a small superstar turtle.
Oh, there's another one on the rock over there.
Pieces of meat.
There's another one
Where?
on the rock.
Oh, that one is smaller. I think this is bigger. Look how fat this guy is. And a souvenir store. Bunch of Chinese cheap toys that cost overpriced here. $25 for a toy.
27.
27. Good price.
Made in China.
And we found a small present. Small souvenir.
This is small.
Apparently Elizabeth loves snakes.
It's bigger than my arm.
So did you like the zoo?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
What do you like the most? Turtles
Snake.
or dragons? Or snakes?
Snake.
This snake? The fake one?
Fake? No, real one.
Okay.
I like that.
Looks really warm.
I saw a bigger one before. Yeah? At the pet shop.
Oh.
Is this the one that makes like net or
Silk or
oh silk? Yeah.
silkworms we have are actually over there.
Oh, silkworms.
Yeah. But like silkworms, they do.
How do you call this one?
This is a hornworm, tomato
Ah.
hornworm. These guys are actually native to Ontario. So if you have, oh goodness, if you have tomato plants in your garden, you'll see these guys.
Oh.
But these ones, the silkworms, they actually come from Asia, so they're not from Ontario. So you won't find them in your backyard or anything.
So I can get that as a pet in my own backyard.
This
I
one,
guess.
yes. The silk one, no.
We'll go to Katya. She has some.
No, I have
Trust me.
tomato garden.